up, guys? My name's Travis. This is Garage Built K's. Thanks again for watching. If this is your first time watching, we are about to have a EK K-Series make close to around 600 horse. Right now we got fab work going on, so I'll have some video and some footage of what that looks like. I'm extremely pumped about that. Dave Rasmussen's doing my fab work right now. He is crushing it. I have basically all my fuel stuff sitting here that I have for him. He's going to flip-flop to a -8 feed and a -6 return for me. I have the Dishworks DW400 fuel pump. I have 1600 injectors. That is Jason Waters tuning oil drain into the timing cover, like the tensioner little spot, so that's where that's going to go. I have my boost controller there, and then I have a Fuel Lab Micron -8 fuel filter, so this thing's a lot bigger than the K-Tune one that I have. So things are about to get a little rowdy. I'm going to show some footage of what the fab work looks like right now. I got some pictures from them. I also have a little video footage, so I'll show that. We'll see what that looks like right after the intro right here. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're pulling up to Eurocharged. These guys constantly have just fucking cars that make my car look like fucking shit. So, first one, we got a red NSX. Second one, TSX, couple Type Rs. And then right up here is Eurocharged. So we'll grab the parking spot here. I'll show you what we got. Alright, so just leaving Eurocharge now. I got about a 35-minute drive back to work. I hope you like the video and a little bit of showing on the fab work that Dave's doing. I am fucking pumped for get the car back. So he's gonna do my fuel stuff. So literally all I'll have to do is all I'll have to do on the hatch is I have 2 gauges that I'll have to wire up. So I think my oil pressure and the, what was the last one? Oil pressure and, what was it? Boost. So I gotta get my, I have the Mac boost controller, so I have the 3-port. So I gotta hook that up to my ECU and then get all my, all that stuff all wired up, and then I believe I can drop it off to get tuned. And I got a couple more goodies from MPC Motorsports that I'm going to show in my next video. I don't really want to release it, kind of what I got, until I can actually have my car back in my garage and put them on. So I'll show that in probably 2 videos from now. So we got a lot going on, but we are getting closer to crunch time on getting the car tuned and seeing how much we can make out of this K-Series. If you watch Humble Performance at all, they're one of my favorite channels for information, especially about K-Series. We should be fine to make around 600, but I don't want to put a hole through my block. So we'll see kind of where I feel most comfortable with the tune. So thanks again for watching. Let me know if you have any other questions, or if you want to see anything more, just drop a comment below. Let me know what you want to see. Thanks again.